Okay, so you said that you gained that 2-set, the one's really into it, the one's not.
Yep.
That's very clear. You're even probably talking to that girl, seeing that this girl's not. You're kind of trying something with her, but she's just not opening up.
Right.
So you got one girl, could be down for the instant date, could be down to fucking clothes, whatever the situation is. You got to address the mood of the market.
Okay.
So this is a business principle that I've applied to game. So the mood of the market when it comes to, say, the fitness industry is, oh, this is all just another fucking scam. They're going to sell me this scam fucking diet, this fucking thing. So a great thing to put on a sales page for fitness influencers is like, this isn't another lose 30 pounds in 7 days scam. This is how to do this in the long term in your life to live with the body you want. That's the mood of that market, right? So the mood right there was that this girl is not into it and ruining something good here. That's the vibe that's happening. So what you do is you address the mood of that girl. You go, he's gaming that girl. You could just go, are you like, you look like you hate me or something. No, I don't hate you. It's just like, we just kind of are in a hurry. Well, it's okay. How long are you in Vegas for? Just like a couple. So you showed, what did you show? What's the word I'm going to say? What did you show?
Awareness.
Yes. Bing. Ding, 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 ding. 50 points for Gryffindor. Nah, you're Slytherin, bro. You're fucking evil. You showed social awareness right in that moment. You look like you're like afraid of me or something. I promise. Like I gave up serial killing like 6 months ago. I'm clean now. I don't do shit. No, it's just like we're kind of in a hurt. Addressing that mood shows social awareness. A lot of people don't show that. So address the mood of the market.